Hi, my name is Brian Tan. I'm a principal consultant for Planit.
Hi, my name is Christine. I'm an automation engineer at Planit.
Hi, I'm Don. I'm a principal consultant with Planit.
Hi, I'm Xander. I'm a senior technical consultant at Planit.
I was faced with the challenge of providing agile leadership to a top Australian natural resources client who were seeking to radically transform their operational approach.
My challenge was within a university client where I had to build a full automation suite for their CRM SaaS system. When they pushed out a major update, some key parts of the system didn't work.
A few years ago, we had a client come to us with a unique challenge. They had a high volume transactional system which underpinned their business. The problem was they couldn't release updates to this system frequently enough. The manual testing effort for a team of 10 testers was 6 months. So it was biannual updates at best for a system that needed regular updates.
We had a client who'd had some very negative experiences with automated testing in the past. They had a large-scale cloud migration planned, and given these prior experiences, were very reluctant to set a lot of stock in automated testing. They were adamant the system was too complex and not well suited to automation.
I have successfully managed to help the client with leading a squad in agile delivery practices which incorporated automation, big data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and a large implementation of IoT devices. This has resulted in significant operational cost savings for the client.
My automation suite identified the critical severity defect that the global CRM provider had missed. I was the first person to report this issue globally, and the CRM company pushed out an emergency update within 2 days.
Now obviously we approached this with test automation, and we managed to reduce the 6 months down to 2 hours. And that 2-hourly test is now running for them on demand, independent of production, as frequently as they wish. The crowning success of this story is that 6 years later, that client is still using that same automation suite. It's delivering ROI for them month on month, year on year.
I love a challenge, so we proposed a proof of concept, which was a resounding success. And 2 months on, we have over 80% coverage and 100 days of manual testing effort saved. We're also about to leverage that same functional test framework for a series of performance tests that will target issues that have plagued the organisation for years.